Hi YouTubers, how are you today? How's everybody? I hope everyone is feeling well today. Today guys, I am going to make for you guys a casserole. And guess what guys? It's a stuffed pepper casserole. And you're going to do a little twist. Instead of leaving those peppers whole guys, you're going to cut them up. So what I have here guys, I'm going to go over the ingredients with you and get right to it guys. You're going to love this one. This will be a big hit for the holiday on your table or the night before when you have your gatherings guys. You're going to love it. Alright, I'm a fan of red peppers than green peppers guys. So this is what I have. I have red peppers, a little bit of green peppers, garlic and onions. Have Kobe cheese and mozzarella cheese, oregano, garlic salt, garlic powder. I have some Hunt's tomato sauce and rotel. You can use one or the other guys, but I'm going to probably use both of them. Then I have my rice. I cooked it the day before. So that's your ingredients and my ground beef. You know, sorry. Saute your vegetables guys. You want to saute them up. So you got your skillet hot, your oven is going to be on 350, and you're going to saute your onions, your garlic, your green peppers, and your red peppers. You want them to be soft. I used a half an onion, I didn't need the whole thing, and I'm just going to go in with these, just like this. Okay? And what you want to do guys, you want those to do this for about 2 or 3, maybe 4 minutes. If you want your vegetables hard, guys, you can do it that way. But I don't. I want mine tender. So I'm going to do this for about 3 or 4 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Check it out. Now, this is your stuffed pepper recipe. And by the way, guys, the hamburger meat is 80-20. Got 20% fat. You want to take these now and just season your vegetables up. I got a little oregano. Whatever you like on your stuffed peppers, put them on there. But I got a little oregano, a little pepper, and I'm going in with some garlic salt. Just a little. You want to have those babies seasoned up. And I'm going in with some garlic powder. Remember, I cut up garlic already in here. If you guys could just smell this. And this is what you want to do. Okay? So those are going in there. Now, guys, what you want to do is you want to take your hamburger meat and put it right in with your vegetables. You want to put it in there, just like this. Because this is a stuffed pepper recipe, and that's what you're going to do. So I'm going to get this, guys, mix it all together, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. See how I'm folding it over? This is what you want to do. You want to fold this over. And get those vegetables into your meat. I got 80-20, I just told you guys. Now, I'm going to go in now because I didn't season my hamburger. I've got garlic powder, and I want a lot of garlic powder on mine. I want that garlic taste. This smells amazing, guys. And I'm going to go back in a little pepper. The same seasonings that I use on my vegetables, I'm putting on my hamburger. Okay? Go back in with a little more of my oregano. Because I'm putting it on my hamburger meat. Okay? We're going to get all of this together and cooperate this all together. This is love in this skillet, guys. This is love. I didn't add any salt because I'm using garlic salt this morning, guys. And I got all this love in here. Okay? And this is going to make your awesome stuffed peppers. And this is a casserole. So that's why we're going to use our cheese and our sauce. Okay, guys, I'll be back as soon as I get all of this cooked up here, this hamburger with the vegetables. I'll be right back. All right, guys, come in. I want them to see this real good. You see what I got here? I got to drain this off. If you guys could just smell the love in my house this morning. I got to drain this off, guys, and take this off. But this is what you want. This is what the look you want for your casserole stuffed peppers. This is what you want. I'm going to drain this grease off, guys, and I'll be right back. All right. All right, guys, we're going to go back in with our meat. You hear my oven. I'm putting it on 350, and I'm coming back in. Put that in there. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me put this in the sink. I'll be right back. All right. All right, guys. Now, this is your time to taste this and make sure that you have the right amount of seasoning in before you add anything else to this. This is your stuffed peppers. Okay, so you want to go in and make sure that's your taste. I'm going to add a little garlic salt. And that should do it, guys. That should do it. Because you want that seasoned really well. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. You can use tomato paste. Excuse me, guys. You can use tomato sauce. Or you can use rotel. I'm probably going to use both of them. This one here, I'm putting in. This is 15 ounces of your tomato sauce. Okay? We're going to rub that in there. Just like this. And put that in there. We're going to let that go around for about 2 or 3 minutes. And if you guys are having a hard time hearing me, could you put it in the comments? I need to know if my voice is loud enough. Okay, guys. Look at that. Okay? We got that in there. And then, like I said, you don't have to do this. Only if you want to. I'm going to use some of this rotel in mine. I don't know if I'm going to need it all. But look at that, guys. Look at the love in there. Wow. Look at this. This is smelling so awesome. So we're going to let this go for about 3 or 4 minutes to cook into my hamburger meat, which I'm going to make my casserole with. All right, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm back. Check it out. Look at your stuff. Look at the stuffing for your casserole. Now what we're going to do, guys, I made my rice last night before I went to sleep. I used a boiling bag. I'm going to put that in there. And we're going to push this all the way around. Fold it over. This is part of your stuffing. See that? Wow, guys, this is smelling so good. You see that? We're just cooking that in. Okay. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to go in with my full can of rotel. I'm going to go ahead and use it all. So I used a can of each. You can use either or you can mix it like I did for your stuffing. But I use both cans. And I will have it listed down below so that you guys can see it. So I'm going to take and do this for about 2 or 3 minutes. And I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is awesome. Now this is what I want to do, guys. You can do 2 things. You can take a pinch of sugar or you can take a little bit of ketchup and get that sweetener in there. And you're just going to rub that in also. Take that like this and let it cook in for about 2 minutes. And this baby has my house smelling up, guys. So this is what you would be stuffing the peppers with. But you already got your green peppers and red peppers. Whichever peppers you like. Yellow, green, red. I'm not really that crazy about green peppers. Red is my favorite. Alright, guys. Now, I'm going to take this. Turn the heat off. Move it to the back. And I'm going to get my casserole dish. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. We back. I got my casserole dish here. This is what you want to do. You want to put some of this down first. Your stuffing down first. This is how you want to do this. See, come in, cameraman, so they can see all of this love. This is what you want to do. You want to put this down here like this. Now, tell me this wouldn't be a great dish to serve you guys around holiday time. Okay. Now, once you get that down, guys, use the cheese of your choice. Mozzarella, pepper jack, any cheese you want, you could use. I'm going in with some Kobe Jack slices. This is what I'm doing, guys. You can use American slices. Whichever one you like, you use it. And I'm going to put it down like this. I'm going to put some over here. And I'm going to put them down just like this. Okay? My cheese, okay. Alright, you see how I'm doing this, guys? Okay. Now you have it. Now you want to go in with some more. Just like this. Now you're going to make this one a little thicker than the one you had before. You're going in just like that. Okay? Okay, so now we got that all straight off in there. Oh, guys, it smells so good. Okay. Now I'm going in with my mozzarella. Okay. See, it was sitting on my oven warming up. Okay. I'm spreading it apart. Because it kind of melted because my oven is on, guys. Okay. Then we're going to put another layer up there. Okay. Wow. This is awesome. Okay. I'm going to grab my other cheese and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, this is my taco blend. This is going to go on my top. So I want to put this all over the top. Just like this. As they say, just like so. We're going to put it all over there. Crumble it up. This is going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes. 25, 30 minutes. Check it. Okay. Awesome. That's how you make it, guys. This is a casserole, stuffed pepper casserole, guys. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven, guys. When this bakes for about 35 minutes, I'll be right back. Alright, guys. I brought her out. And she's looking delicious. This is my stuffed green pepper, red peppers, yellow peppers, guys. Whichever you choose. Holiday dish for you guys. This is an awesome dish, guys. It came out amazing. If you watch me, I'm going to eat this on my live, and you'll get to see me, guys. But this is how you do it. This is a stuffed pepper casserole dish. If you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. But please, guys, give me that thumbs up. Tell me this wouldn't be a hot item for you to cook for your family for the holidays. Thanksgiving's coming, Christmas coming. Stuffed green peppers, red peppers, however you like them. All right, guys, thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a great day. Voila! Bye-bye.